Hi Wendy, and thanks for asking about our 2016 E-Class 4MATIC wagon. Just a lovely example. It was traded in here at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough. We have a beautiful day here at our Prime Motor campus. It's really lovely. So we wanted to come outside with some of our trees and flowers and such. This is the selenite gray example. It really is a popular color, a very nice color. You have the AMG style wheels, which really spices up the wagon. Keyless go, keyless entry, Continental tires all the way around, of course. You have the luggage rails. Plenty of room in these wagons. That's why they're still so popular. If you need a third row seat, you have that here. Kids love it. And those seats fold down also, so you literally could camp in this car. Really no signs of wear or tear at all. It's just perfectly clean. I love this ash interior. Panoramic sunroof, which we'll see in a minute. And here is the interior. This is the tried and true Mercedes V6 engine. Plenty of power in this car. For road trips, but they get very good mileage on the highway. You'll find set the cruise, and you'll get in the mid to upper 20s on the highway, honestly. So let's take it a little bit around the lot, shall we, Wendy? So we're in the car now. Just wonderfully quiet. Really a nice interior. A lot of your controls are here on the steering wheel, and this car has navigation, backup camera, all of the Mercedes goodies. You also have the Harman Kardon sound system. It's just so quiet. It's beautiful. Let's drive around the dealership a little bit. You may know that every Saturday from 8 to 12 we have the free car wash. It's a hand wash. For anyone who has purchased a vehicle here. People come inside. It's very social. Of course, we have the Starbucks coffee and pastries from Standard Baking. And you would pull in here to pick up your loaner car for service, and you would drop your car off here also for the car wash. So Wendy, I'll give you a call after you get this to see if you have any questions, see if you'd like to come in and test drive it. These wagons tend to not last very long. People are really still into wagons, and there aren't many brands that bring them into this country still. Bob Holzacker, 207-747-9714. Thank you very much.